Did you know that you can install Teamfight Tactics on your PC and play this game? I'm going to show you how. You want to go ahead and get a Riot Games account. So head over to riotgames.com and you can sign in with your Gmail account. If you have one, your Facebook account. If you have one, your Xbox, and even you can do it with your Apple account. And so, or your PlayStation account as well. So once you create an account, you will be able to sign in and on the upper left, you will have Riot Games. You click the drop down here, and these are games that you can play. You will need to have space on your PC, so keep that in mind. And you will need to have the client of Riot Games on your computer as well. But that's pretty straightforward one. You will be able to install it once you're trying to install a game. Now, let's say we want to download and install this Teamfight Tactics. We click on it right here. And so you will see it says play for free. You can go ahead and you can play for free on your computer. All you have to do is click on play for free. What's going to happen is that takes you over to this page where you can get the Mac version on the Windows version. So you can click on download. This is gonna download for you, and as you can see, it is here. You will click on this exe file that download on your computer, click on yes, and it will go ahead and give you this option to install. You hit install, and you'll be able to have this install. What's gonna happen once you click install is that it's gonna open up the Riot Games client on your computer. I have it here installed, and if you don't have it, it's gonna trigger it and allow you to download and install the Riot Games client. And so once you have the Riot Games client, it's going to now give you the option to install on or to, let's say, to download and install within the client. And you will be able to open up the client and it's going to ask you for your username and password. It's the same account for Riot Games as well, and you will just select it and it will take you right in. As you can see, the browser is going to ask you to open the Riot Games client. So this is how it actually works when you're installing games and you do have the client. It opens up like that, quickly install and allow you to get those games. And yeah, once you're there on the left side, you can see that I have a few games that they're paused. And for example, I'm doing installing Valorant right here. I'm going to go ahead and pause this option, this right now, but you see that you can install Valorant. I have the League of Legends, and of course, that option which is the Teamfight Tactics right here, as you can see. So what you can just directly do the same. So once you click install, as you can see right here, it says play on, and you can go ahead and play it, as you can see right as well. But follow the steps as I showed you, and you'll be able to play Teamfight Tactics directly from within the client of Riot Games. So important thing is that you need to have the space on your computer to accommodate the game size. And so once you follow these steps, you should be good to go to play the game on your PC or laptop. And that's it.